Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Today we are going to study about something about organic chemistry, because in this world of science mostly the students feel a lot of difficulty. It seems to be difficult, but actually it's not. So first thing we are going through that the definition, old definition of organic chemistry: chemistry of compounds which are obtained or get their origin from plants and animals, that is the living organisms. The word organic signifies life. It signifies life, and Loiser, scientists who showed that the compounds which are obtained from plants, they get the elements, they are made up of element carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. And the compounds which are obtained from animals, they contain elements carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur, phosphorus. Means the compounds which are obtained from animals are 6 in numbers, while that which are obtained from plants, they are just carbon, hydrogen and oxygen elements. Vital force theory seems to be very important at that time, because in early 19th century Swedish chemist Jacob Berzelius put forward this theory, and according to him that organic compounds could not be prepared in laboratories, because they thought that there are some mysterious force which are able to synthesize that organic compounds in labs. That force is only inherent in living things, and that's why it's impossible to prepare synthetically these compounds in lab. So the concept was rejected when the first work was done by Wohler in 1828, and he did a remarkable work, because he not only prepared the organic compound in lab, but amazingly he prepared it from inorganic substance, which is ammonium cyanate, NH4CNO. This ammonium cyanate, when it is heated, it turns, or after rearrangement, it turns into urea. And this working was a milestone towards the rejection of vital force theory. And the later work was done in this aspect by Kolbe in 1845, when he synthesized acetic acid in lab. And in this way you will see that carbon disulfide treated with chlorine to give you CCl4, which is tetrachloromethane, and it undergo pyrolysis, which gives you tetrachloroethylene, and finally you will, after extra chlorination, you will get trichloroacetic acid. And trichloroacetic acid, which undergo electrolytic reduction, and finally you will get acetic acid. So this working is in support of the working of Wohler, and finally they come to the conclusion that the vital force theory was just some myth. We can prepare these organic compounds in lab synthetically, and even by using the inorganic substance. So this is basically all about the history of organic chemistry or organic compounds. Now inshallah, for the next lecture we are going to study about organic compounds. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.